Luna the Cat and the Lost Ball. Luna was a playful little cat who loved her red ball. Every morning she would bounce it, chase it, and roll with it. One day, Luna couldn't find her red ball. She looked under the bed, behind the door, and inside her toy box. But the ball was missing. Luna felt sad and sat near the window. Just then, she saw a squirrel outside, playing with the red ball. Luna ran outside and meowed. The squirrel smiled and rolled the ball back to her. Luna purred and gave the squirrel a friendly nudge. From that day on, they played together every morning. Moral sharing brings true friends and happiness.